time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Emberton, Mud Lick, Fortin, Gumtree, Harlan Crossroads, Osha, Freetown, Gamaliel, Grandview, and Heston. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Louisville.
Oh, wow. Tornado warning. Just from Monroe County. Kansas tornado warning. I knew they would eventually issue that. Oh, wow. That was fucking crazy, dude. Ugh. Oh, Thompsonsville and Gardner. Let me see.
To collect a wealth of meteorological data.
Ship. 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time weather conditions.
Well, it might up here 120. Get it?
This little needle tornado is dissipated. This is our first chance to have an intercept in D2.
At 7 miles.
Well, we won't be able to get any TORs, so I can only get it through this radio if I move over to the window. But there's our tornado warning that just now got issued. Right for Thompsonsville. Look at the... Oh, I see. Well,
Just yesterday, they captured a stunning tornado in
that great.
They're tracking a supercell of their own in a violent line of storm.
Alright, tornado warning. First TOR of the day. There it is. First tour.
I have a pretty good feeling that this storm's going to be pretty intense.
7 miles southwest of Thompsonsville, northeast at 25. So this is going right into the coverage. Yeah, that's moving straight up. Yeah, that's moving up. Area forecast discussion.
Gasoline is spraying all over inside the tent. We can ignite at any minute. Turn off the vehicle. Turn off the vehicle. Turn it off. Turn it off. We immediately had to pull over, shut the engine off, and assess the situation.
This is about to get crazy.
It's frustrating because we have a tornado warning storm, and I'm not exactly sure when we're going to be able to get back on the road again. Is it repairable?
Well, this is Midwest EAS with a EAS video. We're gonna have more because today we have an enhanced risk. Yeah, day 1 enhanced risk for my area. The 10%er on it. So, later today, because storms are set to start up pretty soon, at like 3, so I'm going to be doing a Tornado Intercept drone launch test. So I'm going to get the footage from this drone, because it has a camera on it, and the footage of it getting taken off. So yeah, this is Midwest EIS, and I will see y'all later.